Welcome my dear students. Thank you so much for joining and thank you so much for your support. And if you have any doubts in particular problem, you can send me your queries. Definitely I will give you the solution in as video. Okay. Yes. So CBSE Maths Trigonometry topic, exercise 8.3, question number 4 and subdivision 9. Look at the question my dear students. So here cosecant theta minus sin theta into secant theta minus cos theta, that is equal to 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. Okay va? So this is the question. Inga this is LHS and this is RHS. Before going to the problem, we have to know who are the reciprocals. Okay ma? அதாவது cosecant theta inga question la irukku, that is the reciprocal of 1 by sin theta, and inga pathina secant theta irukku. So secant theta வந்து யாரோட reciprocal? 1 by cos theta ஓட reciprocal. அங்க வந்து tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta can be write like sin theta by cos theta. அதுக்கப்புறம் இங்க cot இருக்கு. So cot can be write cos by sin. So இப்ப நம்ம LHS and RHS we have that, right? So cosecant minus sin. இங்க வந்து secant minus cos. இங்க வந்து there is no square. Okay ma? So நம்ம இங்க என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா cosecant theta க்கு பதிலா we can write 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Okay? So இங்க வந்து எப்படி எழுத போறோம்னா cos theta 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So this is only LHS. இங்க வந்து times இருக்கு. கீழ denominatorல என்ன இருக்குன்னா 1 இருக்கு. So we have to cross multiply or LCM, whatever. So if you multiply, we get 1 into 1, 1 sin square. Denominatorல வந்து sin theta. Times போட்டுட்டு இங்க same 1 minus cos square theta minus cos theta. Okay. So what is the next step? 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square. So if you write, so மேல வந்து cos square இருக்கு, கீழ வந்து sin theta. இங்க வந்து sin square theta, denominatorல cos theta by the identity. நம்ம cancel பண்ணிட்டா what is left out in the numerator? Sin theta into cos theta. So this is our LHS. Okay va? So இப்ப we are going to do with the RHS. So RHS பாருங்க எப்படி வருதுன்னு. What is RHS? 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. So as I said before, 1 by tan theta can be write sin by cos. Okay. Then cot theta வந்து cos theta by sin theta. So நடுவுல positive sign இருந்தா we can take cross multiply. Multiplication side இருந்தா பண்ணக்கூடாது. Okay. So 1 by இங்க வந்து sin square theta plus cos square theta. Denominatorல வந்து sin into cos. Take the reciprocal. இது அப்படியே reciprocal பண்ணீங்கன்னா sin cos theta. Denominatorல வந்து sin square plus cos square. So this is sin theta cos theta. Denominatorla 1. So that is our RHS. So LHS and RHS both are sin into cos. That is our answer. See the video for at least 2 times and you will get better idea. Sorry for this disturbance and hope you all understand the problem. Thank you so much for joining my dears.